This is a WECT Cape Fear Business Break.
I'm Jessica Kirk, and I'm here with Matt from MJW Careers. Now, Matt, what kind of services does MJW Careers provide?
We are a career coaching firm, so we assist folks that are being laid off or in transition right now with resume writing and interview training and a whole slew of services.
Now, why is consulting a career coaching firm so important right now?
Well, it's a competitive market, so you have folks that are out there competing against a lot of candidates, and the goal is to get the top of the pile of the resume stacks. And with thousands and thousands of people applying for minimal jobs that are out there, I think it's important to have a leg up on the competition because a lot of folks are putting in the resources to do this, to better themselves.
Okay, and what is the process if somebody wants to come to MJW Careers? How does that work?
What they do is they initially will contact us via the website or a phone call, and what I do is reach out with our package and kind of explain to them what we can offer to them and have a kind of a pricing matrix, if you will, to see what's affordable for them. The biggest problem is obviously people are looking for work, so they don't have a lot of money to spend. So with our services, it's very affordable. Resumes are only $65, and you get a free cover letter with it. So a lot of these firms that are charging upwards in the hundreds don't realize that these people don't have a lot of money to spend. So we like to separate ourselves and say you get an affordable package and you get a good resume.
Okay, so what tips do you have for people right now who are out there in the job market?
I would say definitely invest in the resume as first and foremost because you are competing against so many folks. So I think as far as resume writing tips, first thing is be productive with your resume. Don't have a lot of fluff. You're gonna want to show a lot of quantitative over qualitative. You know, a lot of the old days people would put down, hard worker, dedicated team player, things like that. That doesn't work anymore. You need to have numbers and facts in there and data.
Excellent. To find out more, make sure you visit the website at mjwcareers.com.
This has been a WECT Business Break.